Monkey. I am Monkey, the new rules. Quietly. Okay, here it is. The walk around video for the 1993 Honda Monkey Baja limited edition. It's very low mileage. It's not quite immaculate, but it's very, very close to it. Exceptional conditions, super duper rare. Let's have a closer look. Rear fender, fine. Right indicators, fine. Rear wheel and shock, good. New tyre, looks like. Dinky little swing arms, fine. Right side of the engine, as I say, not quite immaculate, but muffler guard, exhaust is all very good. Right side of the tank. Now here at the front of the tank there are 1, 2, 3 small bits where the paint has come off. I think that may have happened in transit. That's a touch up. Front forks, nice. Down at the bottom there's a very small amount of pitting, just a few little places. Front wheel, front tyre, front fender, headlights, headlight cowl, all hunky-dory. So that's the right side. And here's the left. A couple of little marks on the headlight guard. A small thing there on the tank. Wee bit of rubbing on the left side of the engine casing. A small scratch on the decal on the left, and that's about it. Seats all good, top of the tank's good, a few little marks on the fuel filler cap, bars, nice. And there's the clock. 337 kilometers, about 209 miles. The 1993 Honda Monkey Baja.